Hello everybody, what is up? Today I have had a very productive day. I'm very proud of myself. I think I'm going to do a spa night and watch some movies or some Gilmore Girls. Oh, this fell. Today I cleaned out my office and I will show you guys what I did, and I'm in the middle of cleaning out my closet. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys what I did with my office. Okay, so for the most part it looks the same, but I added a buttload more of these pictures. It was probably only filled like here over, and I put all of these new pictures on, and then I cleaned off this board and I just put my Taylor Swift lyric watercolors, my mini pictures, the little Capricorn thing that I made for all my friends with their zodiacs for Christmas, and then some spare Polaroids that I didn't have anywhere to put. So this looks a lot nicer. I cleaned up my vision board slash fangirl board a little bit. It doesn't look that different, but I did clean it up a bit. I fixed my snow globe shelf and I reorganized that. And then the big thing is I took all of this stuff down and I reorganized all of it up there. And I put that poster there. It was right here, and instead I put it right there, and I like it there a lot better. So they just had a sale where we get like our pictures done, like where my family gets our pictures like developed and stuff, and they had a sale on metal, like metal images. You can get like images on metal. So I got some pictures from Europe on metal and I hung it up today. It looks really pretty in the sun, but these are my favorite pictures from Europe. This one is in front of the Notre Dame. Oh my gosh, these are all Paris. I didn't even think about that. I went to 5 cities in Europe. I'll have my Europe video linked down below, but these are all Paris and I didn't even think. This is the Notre Dame, that's the Louvre, and that's the Eiffel Tower, obviously. But yeah, this looks really pretty in the sun. And then I also reorganized this corner. So I put my tour patches, I hung those up, and then I cleaned off my windowsill a bit. And then I added my 1989 tour pictures and my Selena Gomez picture to my concert wall. And then the last thing I did was added something to my gallery wall that I'm obsessed with. I got this made during the picture sale, like I did with the metal thing. And the funny thing is I actually have wanted this on a canvas for a while. This is canvas, but I will show you the inspiration behind it. Okay, so I have had this little picture right here hanging in my room for probably a good 5 years. I found it online and I printed it out. Couldn't get this on the canvas because it wasn't HD. So I went ahead and I found a picture similar to this one and put font over it. So yeah, it has been an extremely productive day today. I did not do my homework, but that's okay. Oh, while I'm thinking about it, on St. Patrick's Day, TaylorSwift.com had a sale on snake rings, and I have wanted the snake rings since they came out, and they're $60, and I don't want to spend $60 on something, especially when I know it will go on sale eventually when a new Taylor Swift era happens. So for St. Patrick's Day, they had a $10 snake ring sale, and they were out of the rose gold, but they were not out of the black, and my two favorites were the rose gold and the black, and I got the black. I didn't even have to ask my mom. She got it for me. So it comes in this adorable box, Taylor Swift on the back, and I've been wearing it nonstop. I'm obsessed with it. It is so cute. Right now, for a time update, right now it is about 7:45. Hello everybody. So I'm chilling in bed. And I'm not gotten ready for bed yet. I still have to wash my face, take my contacts out, all that stuff. But I'm watching Saving Mr. Banks, and I just finished some popcorn. I'm watching it on Netflix, but I was going to watch Breakfast at Tiffany's, and I took that off. So I figured I would watch Saving Mr. Banks because it's one of my favorite movies, and I haven't seen it in a while. And now I want to watch Mary Poppins because I haven't seen Mary Poppins in forever. Yeah, it's about 9:41. And I'm just chilling. Y'all, this movie is a rough one. Every time I watch it, I cry like 4 times. This is number 1, and we're not even an hour in. So, this is time number 2. We've hit number 3, folks. Number 4. My eyes are like so red.
Promise.
Oh, that movie's rough. Y'all, I am such a wimp. I cry in literally every movie. I cry 5 times. Now it's like 11 o'clock and I was gonna watch another movie. But I'm kind of tired. And you know, sometimes the best way to spend a Saturday night is watching a movie with yourself in your bed with the lights off. It's like the best thing ever. One of my favorite hobbies is watching movies. I love watching movies. I'm obsessed with them. So I had a really good night. It was super chill, super relaxed. And I'm trying to be quiet because my family is like almost falling asleep, so I don't want to be super loud. But also I was just on Twitter and I was looking at the videos of the one night only Jonas Brothers concert that happened in like Atlanta, I think. And I really want them to do one around here. I'm burning up for you, baby. Okay, so I'm gonna put on this acne medication that I've been using. It's called Differin, and it's really clearing my skin. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the redness and stuff's going away, and I had really bad acne over here, and this, oh my gosh. And this is starting to go away too, so that's good. Hey guys, so tomorrow is Sunday, and my plans are to clean my closet, finish doing that, and do my homework. I think I'm gonna try to get up early. Last, I'm going to moisturize my legs and my arms. I'm using Sea Island Cotton from Bath & Body Works. Good night, thanks for watching. Ew, what was that?